Babe. Yeah.
Umesema hii bete ni mpya?
Ya, nilinunua jana. Oh, nayo ya.
So, what do you think is the issue? When the car is started, it's making clicking noises, right? Right here. The noise is coming from this side. What could be the issue?
This is maybe more than started.
Maybe more? Yeah, the noise is coming from there, so that might be a possible. Maybe alternator.
This is not even stuck because the way it sounds, because the car is off.
Right.
It won't bring no noise.
Oh, it's off right now?
Yeah, the car is off. The keys are here.
Oh. Okay, so here's the keys, but we still have noise. After connecting to the battery, there's noise coming out. So now we're trying to figure out what the issue is.
See, and that thing, you see how the bed is loose? Sometimes the car won't stop.
Right.
Because the car is
A loose battery.
And the noise can be this one too, because you know this alternator charge the battery.
Right.
So because this one is loose, the wire when you, the power. See?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna do, we have to tie this fast before we do anything, so it cannot loose.
It cannot be loose.
No car gonna stall like this.
Right.
Never. They can't like that now. Let me see. We need like 10.
So this is loose right here, and we have to tighten it to see if we can start the car. Because if this cable here is very loose, we basically won't be able to start the car. It being loose. It's extremely loose right now. In fact, we can easily pull it off. As you can see, we can easily pull it off. So we just want to tie it and make sure that it doesn't get loose. But you can't drive a car without the battery, you know? Alright. Here we are, we're tightening this because it was loose, making sure that it's tight. So there's like a little thing you gotta use. This is a 10 millimeter, right?
Yeah.
So we're using a 10 millimeter to tighten the battery in place so it doesn't get loose when you turn on the vehicle. Make sure we tie both sides. Just want to tie it nicely. Not way too much, but just nice enough for it not to be loose. Right, that's how you tie a battery. Right, now we're gonna test it. You can see Vincent's over there trying to turn it on. Okay, so we tried to turn it on. It's not turning on, even with everything tied. Now we're gonna check the power to see if it has enough power, or maybe some other issues. So yeah, you know the 10 millimeters are very nice. You can get these at Walmart, I think. So just the regular 10 millimeter can help you tight. You know, you can tight. So look for one of these 10 millimeter one.
Now we gotta check if the battery have enough power.
All right, so okay. Here's our equipment. We're gonna use this to check the battery. It has a power. What's this called?
This called like function or something like that.
We don't really know how it's called, but we do know how to use it, so that's important.
Function shit. The volt test, something like that.
Yeah, it's a volt test. It might be a voltmeter or something like that. I'm not sure what it's called. The name is right on the box, on the little thing on it.
See, like, if the battery work,
Yeah.
it's gonna be 12 point some number.
They're gonna be 12 point something.
Yeah, something up.
So it's gonna be
But
like
if it don't work,
Yeah.
it's gonna be under.
under 12.
Yeah, under 12.
Okay.
Under 12, under 10, 9 up, down.
Yeah.
The battery is no good.
It's like it's fucked up.
Yeah.
Or I'm gonna bleep that F word out. So don't worry. All right. So here we're gonna test the battery. Should be over 12, right?
Yeah.
And as you can see, it's not over 12. It's under 12. So it could be a battery.
So in this case, we have to jump the battery to see if we can get enough power to start the vehicle.
So we're gonna jump the car.
Yeah.
All right. So now we're gonna try to get the other car here and be right back. All right, see, so this is our Dodge Avenger. It's a 2008, completely beat up, but hey, you repair everything, man. We fix whatever. You know what I mean? We don't necessarily care, we do whatever we can. As long as it works for us, we'll use it. So we're gonna use this Dodge Avenger 2008 model to charge. Okay. Now the reason I want to show you this is Dodges have a different way of different type of battery. And if you ever wanted to know how you can jump other vehicles with a Dodge Avenger, let's give you a tutorial right now. So by the way, when you look into a Dodge Avenger, their battery place is in a different location, so they don't. It's not visible. All right, so here is how you.
Get the battery first
Yeah.
before you connect to the one have.
I know that one you don't connect it directly, do you? You do that?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. I guess some people do this way, but for most people they don't ever do that. But we'll try this.
I mean, it's the same shit, but
All right, so
see now the light can come on.
the lights come on and everything. Okay, so we're about to jump this car, but let me show you here at the Dodge. Right, the Dodge Avenger, this battery is located under the wheel. Okay, most of them are located under the wheel, and so it's not gonna be visible. You're gonna have cables that are gonna be right here where you can see them. So there's a red and there's the black cable. So the negative and the positive. Okay, and that's where you do your charging. On this one, the battery is actually very clear, so you can see the battery, and that's what we want to show you. That there's
You can see the different change. See.
All right, so now you can see the different change. So this is one way of charging a battery, but there's other ways. If you're charging a battery, you might want to do a different technique. Some people take off the black cable and they'll connect it to a random,
metal, yeah.
a random metal. You can do that too. But today we're doing it this way because that's the way Vincent wants to do it. It's not the best way. In fact, it's one of the worst ways. But if you don't feel safe doing it this way, the best thing to do is don't do it that way. Okay, just find any piece of metal to put it on in the vehicle that's safe and give it time to charge. So again, if you have a Dodge Avenger 2008 model, this is where its battery connection is gonna be. If you want to jump out the car, it's gonna be right here. So if you're on the driver's side, if you're sitting on the driver's side, it's gonna be on the left side of the driver. Okay. So, driver's side. All right. So now we're gonna give it time for the battery to charge. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's pretty cold outside. Sparky. So notice one car is off. Okay, this car right here is actually off, and this car is the only one that's on. All right. So just be patient and give it time to charge. All right, we'll be right back once the vehicle is charged. We'll make it. We'll get to that clip. All right, guys, we're back. Right now, I know you want to see this happen, so we're about to turn on the vehicle. It's been about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. That's how long you gotta wait for most cars. Okay. Now Vincent's gonna go in there, and he's gonna crank it up. There you go. The car has started. Woohoo! Oh. But yeah, you get the idea, right? You get the point. And he's turning it on again. Give you another example. Alright, so he's turning it off. Now we know it's gonna start. The vehicle's good. We fixed the issue. Okay? So the issue was pretty much the battery was in the wrong, it was not connected properly. And so it drained over time. The vehicle wasn't able to start because it wasn't properly connected.
Get money.
All right, so that's it. That's our tutorial for today. All right, see you next time. Little things, big things. We fix it all.